The old man was sad. He kept quiet and did not complain. The curd was quiet and he did not complain anything. One evening, not long afterwards, Tekla and Manfred had finished work for the day and were preparing the evening meal. So one evening, Tekla and Manfred had done with their work and they were preparing the evening meal. When the meal was ready, they called for Wilhelm. So they called Wilhelm for the meal. They looked in his room, but he was not there. So when they went to his room, he was not in his room. Where could that boy be? Asked Tekla. So Tekla asked, where could be Wilhelm? Manfred had no idea. He asked the old man if he had seen Wilhelm, but the old man shook his head. So his son Manfred asked Kurtz, have you seen the Wilhelm? So Kurtz shook his head. Did no. Tekla and Manfred become a little worried. So they become little worried. They looked out on the street. They they get they they looked for him on the street, but Wilhelm was not there. Then they saw a light on in the workshop. So then they saw a light in the workshop. They went to look. They stepped into the workshop and found their son sitting on the floor. He was cutting a small block of wood and working as hard as he could. So when they entered the workshop, they saw their son sitting on the floor, cutting a small block of wood, and he was working hard as he could. Ah, there you are, said Tekla. So Tekla said, so there you are. What are you making, son? Asked Manfred. So his father asked, what are you making, son? Wilhelm put down the block of wood and the chisel. He looked up at his parents. So he put down the block of wood and chisel and looked to his parents. I am making a wooden bowl for you to eat from. So he replied, I am making a wooden bowl for you to eat from when you are old, replied the boy. So when you grow old, then you will eat in the wooden bowl. The parents looked at each other. They looked at each other. Their eyes filled with tears. So they have tears in their eyes. Come, dinner is ready, said Tekla softly. So his mother said, come for dinner. Dinner is ready. And she put her arms around her son, and the three of them went back to the house. So they take him to the house. After this, Tekla and Manfred always asked the old grandfather to sit with them at the table. So after this tragedy, they always ask the Kurds to sit with them at the table and he can join them for the meals. Now we will move to the difficult words. Complain. Complain means शिकायत करना. Chisel means चेनी. Clumsy means बेढंगा. Couple means जोड़ा. Earn means कमाना. Fetch means ले जाना. Nod off means सो जाना. Carpenter means बढ़ाई. Carpentry means बढ़ाई का काम. Angry means गुस्सा. Smash means टुकड़े हो जाना. cheap mean सस्ता, corner mean कोना, worried mean परेशान. So thank you and Allah Hafiz.